Imagine running your entire business on a blockchain where every payment you make is permanently visible to everyone. Your competitors can see how much you pay your suppliers, employees can estimate payroll, and anyone with your wallet address can track your financial activity. While blockchain transparency creates trust, it also introduces a major privacy challenge. Today, businesses and individuals using Stellar must choose between fast, low-cost transactions and protecting their financial confidentiality. zStellar was created to eliminate that compromise. zStellar is a privacy layer built on the Stellar network that enables users to deposit, transfer, and withdraw digital assets without revealing transaction amounts or exposing the relationship between sender and receiver. Instead of creating a new blockchain or relying on centralized custodians, zStellar enhances the existing Stellar ecosystem with privacy-preserving technology. Users continue enjoying Stellar's speed, low fees, and liquidity while gaining confidential transactions powered entirely by zero-knowledge proofs. The user experience is designed to be simple, despite the sophisticated technology running underneath. A user begins by connecting their freighter wallet and depositing public assets into a shielded pool. At this point, those assets are converted into private commitments that hide the owner's balance from public view. Once funds are shielded, users can privately transfer assets to another shielded address without exposing who sent the payment or how much was transferred. Whenever needed, those assets can be withdrawn back into any public Stellar wallet, completing the entire payment lifecycle while preserving privacy throughout the process. What makes this possible is a cryptographic system based on Groth16 zero-knowledge proofs. Instead of broadcasting sensitive transaction data to the blockchain, the browser generates mathematical proofs locally using WebAssembly. These proofs demonstrate that every transaction is valid without revealing confidential information. Because proof generation happens entirely on the user's device, secret keys, transaction amounts, and private balances never leave the browser, significantly improving both privacy and security. To further strengthen anonymity, zStellar introduces a server-side relayer that submits private transfers and withdrawals on behalf of users. This means the blockchain records the relayer as the transaction sender, instead of the wallet owner. Combined with shielded balances and hidden transaction amounts, observers cannot reconstruct the relationship between participants, making blockchain analysis dramatically more difficult while maintaining full transaction validity. Behind the scenes, every shielded asset is represented as a cryptographic note stored inside a Merkle tree. When a user spends a note, the system creates a unique nullifier that proves the note has already been used, effectively preventing double spending without revealing which note was consumed. At the same time, new encrypted note commitments are generated for the recipient, allowing ownership to change privately while maintaining